Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your language on DeepSeek account. So first we're going to go to the DeepSeek app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the profile section on the lower left corner. Then under that you're going to click on language. So it's going to take you to the system settings. So you're going to click on language here as well. So these are the list of languages supported by DeepSeek account. As you can see, they have numerous of languages. You guys can scroll and check them out. So once you find your preference, you're going to click on it. So when you guys go back to your account, it's going to change the language. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.